home is, what did you talk about with the president?
Of course, indeed, I feel great honor seeing president of the greatest democratic country. So since my childhood, I always admire America, not economy or military power, but mainly as a champion of democracy, freedom, human value, or human creativity, these things. So I'm very happy, and as usual, firstly, I mentioned about my 3 commitments, mainly, you see, 2 commitments. That is, as you know, the promotion of human value in order to bring a peaceful world, or peaceful family, peaceful individual. I mentioned that. For that, I also mentioned the female, biologically more sensitive about others' pain, about others' sort of suffering. So President agreed that. so I just express, I wish, you see, among the leadership, more female should take leadership role. Should take the leadership role. Then second, promotion of religious harmony. And keep one's own tradition, faith towards one's own religion, but must respect all major world religious tradition. That is the basis of genuine harmony among the different religious traditions. So then third, actually, since 2001, we already have elected political leadership. So usually I introduce him as my boss in political field. So since then, my position is semi-retired position. However, I have moral responsibility, you see, to speak on behalf of 6 million Tibetan people. And also Tibetan issue is just cause and cause for peace, in mental peace, like that. So I mentioned, of course, the president himself inquired about these things. So my sort of full commitment about middle way of approach, and the president is very much sort of supportive. And I thank, you see, his even before he became president, during election, you see, he telephoned me. Then after he became president, you see, he always is showing his genuine concern, and including his recent visit to Peking, you see, he expressed, you see, his concern about Tibet, and beside other sort of global issue like that. So I express my thanks to him. So that's the main thing.